Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ramya Krishna here. I'm a senior physiotherapist specialized of neuro from UK. So I wish everyone, I want to greet all the physiotherapists. Today is 8th September, a special day for all the physiotherapy. It's a World Physiotherapist Day. Once again, a happy Physiotherapist Day to everyone. Yeah. So I'm specialized especially from neuro rehabilitation centers. As my experience from internationally, like Saudi and UK, I worked. I have a good experience in the neurophysiotherapist and as a MSK and especially in rehabilitation centers itself. So now I would like to say, now it's our BM Rehabilitation Center. It was located in Hyderabad at Hastinapuram, near to the LB Nagar. So if any physiotherapists want to learn something or you want to do observation shapes or you want to see more case studies, we are welcoming to our board. And also I have a great news to all the physiotherapists. Like many people are lack of the awareness of the physiotherapy about what's the next. So there is a lot of career programs in the physiotherapy, like after bachelor's, like masters, and also job opportunities in India and in abroad especially. So I would like to say, like, I can give you a special career guidance to the people who is really interested. You can contact me. I can pin you my email ID over the video. Like I can help you to make a career guidance of how to make documentations, how to make the exams. Like every country have different types of examinations. Like Dubai have DHA, UK has CPC. So every country has its own specializations and own criteria. So definitely I can guide you those, because as a physiotherapist, when I start, my first step is very challenging in my life. I have faced a lot of challenges regarding that. So I did my own research to make myself to grow and to get my licensing thing. So it was had a lack of my time and lack of the certification problems. So that now I want to help the students not to go undergo this. So I'm here for you now. Today I'm located right now in Hyderabad currently. So you can contact me for your further processes, or you want to go to Dubai, Saudi, or UK. I can like, I don't show you the jobs, but I can guide you what is needed, what is mandatory, how to prepare the exam, how to prepare for the interview, and how to face the interview, and how to write the examinations, and what are the documentation checked, listed, and all this, what are the real standards to go into the country. So I think many people know about the visa process, but they don't know about their professional, they lag over there, right? So I'm here to help you, especially for physiotherapists. But and also I would like to welcome nurses and other doctors also. I'm here to help you people, all the medical staff. But my first priority as a physiotherapist, as a proud physiotherapist, I welcome all the physiotherapy. If you want to contact me, you can email me, and also you're welcome. You can come and sit with me, take one-to-one sessions, take my appointments, and you can see the treatments, case studies, and you want to discuss about your career growth, about different countries, whatever. We are all welcome you. Once again, Dr. Ramya Krishna from BM Rehabilitation Center. We all are waiting for you.